Hi guys, thanks for joining for another unbox. As promised, our LawMate dark lens glasses have come in, so I'll do a quick unbox with that. Again, we'll show you where the memory card goes, and then we'll go ahead and I'll show you some footage from it both inside and outside and what you can expect from it. So let's go ahead and open this box up, shall we? So as I mentioned with the clear lenses a few weeks back, we were waiting for these to come in. I have had some pre-orders, so thank you for going ahead and getting that offer going. In the box, we have our instruction book as always. We then have our USB charging cable. We also have our metal tweezers, really handy. And then we have our dark lenses. So let me go ahead and I'll just tuck my head behind this box for a sec. Oh, there we go. Very, very good indeed. A lot more discreet I think it is than the clear lens options that we had before. Again, the same sort of camera positioning and operation and all the rest of it as the last video. But if you join me on the other side of the table, I'll show you how to get it all going, and then we'll go outside and I'll show you some footage of what it can do. Alright guys, so here we are with our dark lens option. I forgot to mention that inside the box is also the 16 gig microSD card that comes included with all the LawMate purchases from the spystore.com.au. So we've got our glasses, we've got our metal tweezers. Let's take a little plastic cap off there. And these are going to be very important. As I mentioned in the last video, if you're accustomed to the game operation, you'll have a lot of fun with it. If not, I'll guide you through each and every step of it. So what we're going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to open up my little microSD card, and then I'm going to show you where the charge port is and also where to install the microSD card. So on the left hand side arm, you've got your charging port at the top there, and on the actual bendable bit of the arm, we have our microSD card slot. So if I were to install the microSD card, we would want to go in with the words facing up, and I'll push it all the way in until it can't go in any further. So about there. Now the issue with trying to get the memory card out is that you can't actually get your fingernail onto the little lip on there. So that's where the handy dandy tweezers come into play. So if you've played Operation, you know that you have to grab the body part and remove it without touching the sides. Similar, but here you can touch the sides. So we're just going to put the tweezers on there and pull the memory card straight out, and then you can put it back into the adapter, put it into your computer, fire it up and download all your footage. What I'll do is I'll just put it back in there for a second, and then I'll show you how to turn them on. So to activate the glasses, you have a small button just on this side under here. So I'm just going to press it for about a second and then release it. You do need to be careful of the lead time because you're going to wait for a vibration and it can take a little while. So I just felt the vibration then, so I'm just going to turn it around so it's filming me. We'll try and edit some of this footage into it. But yeah, the actual lens itself is just on that little dot just there. So the other handy thing with these glasses is that you could hang them over your shirt front if you needed to, and still continue filming with them if you wanted to. So the glasses will do continuous footage but in 3-minute lumps for about 65 to 75 minutes, which is about the total length of the time that the battery can possibly hold up for. What I'm going to go ahead and do now, guys, I'm going to go outside and shoot some test footage. Thank you for joining us. Hopefully we're going to see you on the next one, and bye for now.